The second one is, so Nate started this demo last week. So if we do our usual, don't do this, this is a terrible idea kind of chart where we try to render something obscene and our whole UI kind of slows down. And this is going to be something that demos horribly because, of course, you can't really see interactions very well. And let me remember what this is called. We have this off-screen canvas work that we've been doing on the side to try to improve that, where this is now happening in a web worker. So you can kind of see like things work. Maybe you can't really see, but they work a little better. But you can, we've been doing a lot of work here. So legends now work. We have tooltips now. You can drill. If I can actually hit a point, there, you can drill. We've also fixed some memory leaks. We've fixed resolution issues. So this is kind of rapidly becoming real. So if I like change a bunch there, you can see the UI stays interactive, even though you have just an obscene amount of data going on. So getting close.